Right now, we're seeing an intriguing shift in human rights sentiment data. With a sentiment score of plus 0.01 and a momentum of plus 0.71 over the last 24 hours, this indicates a notable increase in positive discussions compared to historical trends. What's particularly striking is the presence of 16 distinct semantic clusters, suggesting a more nuanced conversation around human rights topics than we've seen recently. As a developer, you can leverage this API to get real-time insights into how public sentiment is evolving, allowing you to build applications that respond to shifts in social discourse. Imagine integrating this data into a dashboard that tracks human rights sentiment, giving users live updates and alerts based on sentiment changes. To dive deeper into our API, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the data together.